Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make app shortcuts in Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Shortcuts are super useful as you can quickly go and open up apps. So to go and do this, simply come to the bottom of your computer and go and click on the Windows icon like so, and then you want to go to the top right of this section and click on all apps, and you're going to see all of your apps. You can go and search for them if you want, or you can just go and scroll down here until you go and see the app you want to go and make a shortcut with or for. So for example, let's say I want to make a shortcut for Notepad. Here it is. Literally all you need to do is click hold and then drag. You'll go and notice that it then says link, and you can then go and place the shortcut where you want it. So I'm putting this on my desktop, but it could be elsewhere in my files, and then let go. And just like that, a shortcut has now been made. And now I can go and double click on it and it'll go and open up. So that's basically how you can make app shortcuts in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.